I don't even know what's so complicated in all of this, because I've made everything so simple for you. You just call all the numbers that I sent you. You tell them that you are organizing a surprise party for me that I know nothing about, and it's going to be at my house. No, 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 no. It can't be at your house. It has to be at my house. You know my house is nicer than yours. Of course, we need a nicer place because we need to take nice photos for the Instagram. Because if it's not on the gram, it's a scam. No, listen. I've got the caterer sorted. I've got the cake done. I've got everything, even the decor. So what's going to happen is you tell everyone to meet at my house at 8. And I will show up at around 8:10. And when I ring the bell, you just open the door, and then I'm going to act like I'm actually, you don't open the door. Get my son to open the door so that it looks like it's normal, that it's normal behavior for my son to be home. And then I come to the lounge. That's where you're going to hide everyone. And as I open the door, you guys will scream, surprise! And make sure that the photographer is ready to capture all the moments. Yes. Then I'll be, surprise! And then make sure the lights are on, because I don't want any rubbish photographs and videos. And then I'll be like, oh my God, how you guys, why did you surprise me like this? Who organized this? Wow, thank you. How could you do this to me? What a nice surprise. Oh, I have such good friends. I've already sorted the captions I'm going to put when I start posting the content online. And send everyone the list of gifts as well that I want. And make sure you get everyone to buy me something from the list. Because I don't want them buying me things I'm not even going to use. It's my surprise party. I know how I want it to go, and it will go my way. When you organize your own surprise party, you can tell me how it should be done. But for my surprise party, it will be my way. Whew. Yes, I need new friends. Why do I have to be organizing my own surprise parties? I wish I had real friends who can do it for me.